this video, we're going to talk about a couple of ways that natural selection, which I abbreviated to be NS here, can affect a population. So let's assume we start here with a graph of the number of organisms in the population. We're going to assume that our x-axis is the gene pool. So we have extremes here. Maybe this is height. This is really, really tall people, really, really short people, and sort of medium-sized people. And we get this sort of bell curve. And a lot of polygenic traits look like this, as we know. So let's say we start like this, sort of a lot of the middle sort of traits and a few on the ends. One type of selection is going to be called directional selection. And you have two options here. In one selection, it selects for one end, maybe the tall end of the traits scenario, so our whole bell curve shifts to the left. Or it selects for the short end of the traits, and our whole bell curve shifts to the left. I'm sorry, before I said shifts to the left when I should have said shifts to the right. Oh well. That would be directional selection, selecting in a direction. So that's one scenario. Another scenario is stabilizing selection, where we actually narrow everything and increase the stability of the middle ground. Okay, so most, way more than before, most individuals will be in this middle area. And the last is disruptive selection, where we're actually selecting against being in the middle. We don't want to be in the middle, and both extremes are favored.